Hi, I'm Mason from the Bachman Brothers, and we're going to be doing another LEGO toy review. It's the Resistance X-Wing Fighter. It has 740 pieces, and ages to build 8 to 14. I'm 8, so I can probably build this. So, the characters is Poe Dameron, BB-8, Lor San Tekka, First Order Flame Trooper. Let's build it. Okay guys, it's finally finished, so now I'm going to show you some features of it. The landing part can go up, of course, and BB-8 can go in it. And if you see right here, you have to turn that, and then these go up. Like in the movie. And in the back, whoops, and in the back, this can come out. I guess this is the engine. I'm not too sure. But that's what I'm going for with it. And they got and there's some weapons on it. So it looks like a flick fire missile, but it's not. So let me show you what you do. You put your finger right here, and then push down on it, and then it shoots. So let me show you a demonstration. And there's one thing I forgot to tell you. There, in the cockpit, there's a wrench and a fire extinguisher. And there's this. The flame trooper burned. So all you do is grab the lever and then pull it down, and then it goes down and burns like a flame trooper, like the flame trooper burned it. And Poe can go inside the cockpit. So let's do that. Poe comes with a pilot helmet. So what you gotta do is put his helmet on. That's pretty much all you gotta do to turn him into a pilot. Just put him in the cockpit and you're done. This is what the Star Wars The Force Awakens Rebel X-Wing Fighter looks like. I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. I'd give it a thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye!
But the summer is gone.